What if the biggest reason your memory isn't as sharp as it used to be isn't simply getting older? What if the same hidden problem that's making you forget names, lose focus, or struggle to remember why you walked into a room is also slowly affecting your eyesight? It may sound surprising, but your brain and your eyes are connected in ways most people never think about. Every second of every day, your eyes send millions of signals to your brain, but for that system to work properly, both organs depend on the same three things: healthy blood flow, steady oxygen delivery, and protection from oxidative stress. The challenge is that after the age of 60, all three of these natural defenses begin to decline. Blood vessels become less flexible, free radical damage gradually builds up, and the nutrients that protect your brain and retina may no longer be available in the same amounts they once were. The encouraging news is that certain natural drinks contain plant compounds that researchers have been studying for their potential to support these very processes. In today's video, we'll count down 3 science-backed drinks that may help support healthy circulation, nourish the retina, protect brain cells from everyday oxidative stress, and even promote better sleep. When your brain and eyes perform much of their natural repair and recovery, one of these drinks has even been linked to improved blood flow in areas of the brain involved in memory. Another contains one of the highest concentrations of protective antioxidants found in any berry, and the number 1 drink may surprise you because it works while you're asleep. If you're over 60 and want to support both your memory and your vision naturally, stay with me until the end. You might discover a simple evening habit that's worth adding to your daily routine. Let's begin with number 3. Number 3, Moringa and beetroot juice. Remember how I mentioned that? One hidden problem may quietly affect both your memory and your eyesight. This next drink is designed to support exactly that. It's Moringa and beetroot juice. Most people think memory begins in the brain and vision begins in the eyes. But neither can function at its best without a healthy blood supply. Every second, both depend on oxygen and nutrients delivered through tiny blood vessels. As we age, those vessels naturally become less flexible, making that delivery system less efficient. That's where beetroot comes in. Beetroot is naturally rich in dietary nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This compound helps blood vessels relax and widen, supporting healthy circulation throughout the body, including the brain and the eyes. Researchers have found this especially interesting. In a study from Wake Forest University, older adults who consumed nitrate-rich beetroot products showed improved blood flow to brain regions involved in planning, decision-making, and memory. That's one reason beetroot has attracted so much scientific attention. But circulation is only half of the story. Think of beetroot as opening the highways, while Moringa delivers the repair crew. Often called the miracle tree, Moringa is naturally rich in vitamin A, lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin C, and powerful antioxidants. These nutrients help protect delicate cells from oxidative stress, while supporting normal retinal function. Lutein and zeaxanthin also concentrate in the macula, where they help filter high-energy blue light and support clear central vision. Together, these ingredients make an impressive team. Beetroot helps support healthy circulation, while Moringa provides nutrients that help protect both the brain and the eyes. Making it is simple. Blend 1 small peeled beetroot with 1 teaspoon of Moringa powder, or a handful of fresh Moringa leaves, and 1 cup of water until smooth. Add a squeeze of lemon or a small piece of ginger for extra flavor. Leave the pulp in if you can, since it provides additional fiber. Enjoy about 8 ounces, ideally 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. But don't stop here, because the next drink works in a completely different way. Instead of focusing mainly on circulation, it delivers some of the highest levels of protective antioxidants found in any berry, helping support not only your eyesight, but also the brain that brings every image you see to life. Number 2, wild blueberry juice. If there were one drink that could help nourish both your eyes and your brain at the same time, it would be hard to ignore. In fact, wild blueberries are among the most studied berries in the world for healthy aging and for good reason. That drink is 100% wild blueberry juice. Wild blueberries may be small, but they contain an exceptionally high concentration of anthocyanins, the natural blue and purple pigments, that act as powerful antioxidants. Because they grow in harsher environments than cultivated varieties, they naturally produce higher levels of these protective plant compounds. Why does that matter? Your retina and brain have enormous energy demands. Every second, your retina converts light into electrical signals, while your brain transforms those signals into the images you see. Over time, this constant activity creates free radicals that place stress on delicate cells. Anthocyanins help defend against that everyday oxidative stress. Research suggests these compounds help support the tiny blood vessels that deliver oxygen and nutrients to the retina, while also helping protect retinal cells from normal age-related wear. Healthy circulation is essential because both your eyes and brain depend on a steady blood supply to perform at their best. But the benefits don't stop there. Studies suggest the natural flavonoids in blueberries may help support memory, learning, and cognitive function as we age. Scientists believe these compounds help maintain healthy communication between brain cells, while supporting blood flow to areas involved in thinking and memory, since your brain interprets every signal your eyes send. Supporting brain health is an important part of supporting healthy vision. Wild blueberries also provide vitamin C, manganese, and a rich variety of natural polyphenols, creating multiple layers of antioxidant support. For the greatest nutritional benefit, choose 100% wild blueberry juice with no added sugar. A serving of 4 to 8 ounces is usually enough. You can enjoy it on its own, dilute it with water, or blend it into a smoothie with plain Greek yogurt. If fresh or frozen wild blueberries are available, they're an even better choice because they also provide dietary fiber. Number 1, Tart cherry juice with unsweetened cocoa. Imagine ending your day with a simple drink that doesn't just help you relax, but may also support your brain, protect your eyesight, and help you wake up feeling more refreshed. It sounds almost too good to be true. Yet scientists have been studying 2 natural ingredients that appear to complement each other in remarkable ways. That combination is Tart cherry juice with unsweetened cocoa. If you're over 60 and you've started noticing forgetfulness, tired eyes, or restless nights, this evening drink may be worth adding to your bedtime routine. Let's start with tart cherries. Unlike sweet cherries, tart cherries are naturally rich in anthocyanins, powerful plant compounds that help protect blood vessels and delicate cells from oxidative stress. Healthy circulation is especially important because both your brain and your eyes depend on a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients to function at their best. But that's only part of what makes tart cherries special. They also naturally contain melatonin and other plant compounds that may help support healthy sleep. While they aren't a sleeping pill, studies suggest tart cherry juice may improve sleep quality in some adults. That's important because many of your brain's and eye's natural repair processes happen while you're asleep. Now here's where the science gets even more interesting. Adding unsweetened cocoa transforms this into an even more powerful combination. Natural cocoa is one of the richest sources of flavonols, plant compounds that help support healthy blood vessels and circulation. Research suggests cocoa flavonols may help maintain blood flow to the brain, while supporting normal cognitive function as we age. Together, tart cherry juice and cocoa work in different but complementary ways. Simply mix 1/2 cup of 100% unsweetened tart cherry juice with 1 teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, stir well, and enjoy it 1 to 2 hours before bed. Choose unsweetened tart cherry juice and minimally processed cocoa for the greatest nutritional benefit. That wraps up our countdown of 3 science-backed drinks that may help support healthy memory, sharper vision, and overall brain health as you age. While no single drink is a miracle cure, combining these nutrient-rich choices with a balanced diet, regular exercise, quality sleep, and routine checkups can make a meaningful difference over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next evidence-based health guide.